Okay, I'm gonna show you how to fix the black screen in OBS. So when you want to record a game and it just doesn't want to record it, it records a sound but with a black screen. Or you just want to record anything on your desktop but it's a black screen. Okay, so I made a list here. So let's see the first one, Windows graphics settings. So just come to your search box here in the left corner. Type in graphics settings, choose that one, and then here make sure the desktop app is selected. So my OBS is already here, so if you don't see it there, just click on browse and then follow this path: program files, OBS Studio, bin 64-bit, and choose the application OBS 64 exe. Add it. Once added, you can go on it, options, and if it's set on, let Windows decide, and it still gives you a black screen, just try any of these settings. Either high performance, close out OBS, start it again, choose high performance again with power savings. Right, so there's that one. The next one is run as admin. So again, you just want to run it as admin because it will open up all kinds of features and settings. So just go to that path again, Program Studio bin 64, find application, right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, and then select this one, run this program as administrator. Say apply and OK. The next one is update your graphics. So if you have AMD, open your AMD software and make sure it's updated. If you have NVIDIA, just find your NVIDIA and update it. Restart your computer, all that stuff. And then update OBS. So to update OBS, you go to help, check for updates, and it will update it. So update it and restart it. Right, so if all of that is done and nothing still works after you restarted your computer, and that happened to me, I just recreated all the sources. So I took these ones and I just deleted them. So your sound, display, game capture, whatever else is in there, just delete them all, and you have to then recreate it. So if you want to record your display and you want to add it, just go to the plus sign, add source, and then you click on display capture. So it will create that one. Then once that is created, you can actually double click on it and just leave that on automatic. Make sure your screen is selected, your main screen that you want to do your recording on. So okay, and then to create the game capture, again on plus sign, let's go to game capture, and then double click on game capture. So capture specific window, I just leave like that, and then just search for your game, your specific game, and select it. And that's it. That should fix the problem. It fixed mine after I did all the other settings. So yeah, that's about it.